Hello friends, my name is Saurav Dubey and today I'm going to show you some useful commands for Linux. So first is, sometimes we just want to move our cursor in home. So there is very simple option, very shortcut key to move your cursor in home. So simple, you can press Ctrl and A to move your cursor in home right here. And if you want to move your cursor in last, so just press Ctrl and E, right? It's very simple. Now, we know about the second thing, how to copy your command, right? So you can copy your command by, this is just simple text. You can copy your text by selecting text and go to copy and do this. But what is the shortcut key of this, right? Copy and paste. So simple is just select this content and press Ctrl, Shift and C, right? And now if you want to paste, Ctrl, Shift and V. So it's so simple, right? So now in the third command, if you want to need some help or if you want to know more about Linux command, so just uh, write here help and click enter. You will find here a lot of commands. So you can see how to use it and how to use these commands, right? So in the next command, we learn how to auto complete our commands, right? If you want to move your like you just want to use another, so if I just want to move in my directory, so I just want to check my first directory. So here is Android, right? So I'm just using here Android. So don't write your whole word or whole directory name. You just press and press your tab, right? Tab key, click here, and you will get full name of this directory, right? And just enter and just check out how many files I have in my Android directory. So just press ls and simple. So here is Android key, these or these. Here 4 files, right? So simple. And in the next command, if you want to run multiple commands like command 1, command 2 and command 3, or you don't want to wait to complete your first command for executing your second command, it's just simple. Write here any command like cmd first and you use here comma, right, and cmd2 and cmd3, right? So it's very simple and if easiest command in line. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime, anything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.